Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all will be fine. Guys, my Amal Fayaz, welcome again to my channel. And I hope my all viewers will be good. Guys, in this video I will tell you how we can use our old mobile as a CCTV camera. And we can also say that how can we control a camera of any particular mobile phone at any time, anywhere. So keep watching this video, but before starting my video, my humble request to my new viewers, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get notification about my upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So guys, I have another mobile, so let me show you. So guys, I have two mobiles for this, and this is my another mobile, and I have to install an application in it which is called IP webcam. Let me click on it. Yes, this is the application which you need to install on the phone to whom you want to control its camera. So me already installed it. Me just open. It's a free software. As this is its interface, you need to ignore all these options and just went to the last option, which is start server, and click on it. When you click on it, this is the interface of this application. So as you can see here, and now you have to just click on action button, and here run in the background. Now it's running. Your camera is running in the background. You just place your phone anywhere where you want to capture the site, and let me show you. But before placing it, you need to note down this IP address, because this IP address you have to put in your browser of your phone from which you want to control the camera of this particular phone. So let me put this URL in my browser. So I went to the browser and then click on it. So here it is. This is the option, and this is a JavaScript. Click on JavaScript. This you can see that this is my camera. This is the view of my camera of that particular mobile. Let me show you again, and that's it. This was my mobile, and now me off its screen. That's off, and now put on a place where I want to capture the site. And now let me go to the browser, and here it is. Now this is the view of that particular mobile. So here lots of controlling option for camera is available. The first option here, we can note the name. We can give the name of our video file, and the other option is we can select time, which time we want to record, 1 hour, 2 hour. And the next option is take photo. We can also take photo of our capture our camera from there, just clicking on it. We can also take a focused photo from there, and we can save our photo from this option, and we can save focused photo from this option. Now this control is really important. This is actually, we can zoom our camera of that mobile from there really easily. Let me show you. Now you can see the camera is right now the camera focused on this position, and let me zoom it. When we zoom it, now you can see it's zoom. even your camera is not close to you, you are sitting in one city and that particular mobile is placed in another city, but the most important thing, both the mobiles will be connected to internet, because this application working through internet. So this is, you can zoom it, you can set the stream quality of your video, you can set the exposure of your video, and the other options are autofocused, hold and autofocused when, and the other is option is flashlight. Let me on it. As you can see, it's now this is my hands in front of camera, and let me show you that we can also on its flashlight. Now the flashlight is on, and whenever we off it, you can see the difference, and this is off now. So you can on the flashlight, you can on the night vision mode, overlay mode, and you can also on its front cam. So you can use it as a two CCTV cameras. It's back camera and it's front camera. Let me show you how we can use its front camera. Just click on front camera, and as you can see, here is me place a red box in front of my front camera, so it's showing a red color. And now we can again use a back camera. Yes, there it is. And we can also enable a motion detection. Here it is. Let me on it and view area of motion detection. Now you can see it's detect any motion at any place in its captured area. So it's a very handy feature that you can also record any type of motion that you oftenly ignore through your camera. So it's really it's almost all CCTV cameras options available. So you must use it as a CCTV camera, and then must write in the comments that how do you feel to use this use your mobile phone as a CCTV camera. So guys, this was my today's video in which I show you how we can use our cell phone as a CCTV camera. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get notification about my upcoming videos. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.